Like you, I'm proud of our past. Wales has been the cradle of industry. We've led the fight for equality, and together, our communities have created a unique and diverse culture. Now, Wales is clinging on as the recession and the cuts continue to hit Welsh families, businesses, and confidence. But we've not lost our hope. We can choose a different future. For Wales, this isn't as good as it gets. I've been travelling around our country. You tell me that it's time for Wales to expect better, to see higher standards in education, a stronger environment for our businesses to grow, and better health services within a reasonable distance from our homes. These are all things a Welsh Government can and should ensure. As a parent, I share your desire to see Welsh children and young people getting the best possible chance in life. Because we agree with you, Plaid Cymru, the National Party of Wales, have ensured that £20 million is being spent this year on creating new apprenticeships, a bridge that will lead to a new and better future for thousands of our young people and a sure path towards a stronger economy. Plaid Cymru has also made sure that the people least able to afford it won't have to pay more council tax or business rates. We think Welsh businesses should be supported. If more public contracts were given to Welsh firms, 50,000 new jobs could be created. We want to see a national rail system for Wales that doesn't put money in shareholders' pockets, but uses its profits to improve services for people in all parts of Wales. We can do this. All it takes is determination and a team of able people who are prepared to put Wales first, leaving no community behind. There's an old saying in Welsh, a boben byd bont. Whoever wants to lead must be a bridge. Under my leadership, Plaid Cymru will be a bridge between the communities of Wales and a path we can take together forward to the future our children deserve.